Good afternoon everyone, or good evening. I hope that you're all okay. 389, 98 even, family members. We're nearly at that magical figure of 400 where there will be a giveaway, which will be food related. And when we reach 400, I'll let you know exactly what it is, and then it's up to you if you want to have a go. Right, we're having another taste test today. This is from Authentic Curries and World Foods. This is a Welsh Beef Cottage Pie. And this is pie Bythyn Eidion Cymreig. Minced Welsh beef with onions and carrots topped with mashed potato. And there it is, packed in Wales. I had several of their curries last week while they were on Anglesey, and they were all absolutely amazing. The ingredients in this, it says, are minced beef in gravy 55%, mashed potato 45%. Minced beef in gravy contains Welsh minced beef, diced onion, gravy, beef bones, beef stock, water, beef fat, beef extract, salt, yeast extract, water, vegetables, onion, tomatoes, potato, caramelised sugar, salt, lemon juice, maltodextrin, tomato puree, modified maize starch, Worcester sauce, malt vinegar, and your allergy warnings here are for barley and fish, because there are anchovies in it. So, this is it. We'll give this a go and see what we think. You cook it on full power on a microwave of 900 watt for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Then shake gently, return to the microwave and cook for another 3 minutes and 30 seconds. When heated, carefully remove the film lid by peeling back from corner of tray. Check the food is piping hot. And this is from the Authentic Curry Company Limited, Unit 46, 47 Highwan Industrial Estate, Highwan in Aberdeen. And there's your nutritional information, should you wish to pause the video and see what it is. There's 400 grams here, and it's £2.65 from Tesco, or £2.95 from Morrisons. I've already cooked it in the microwave. I'm now carefully peeling back the film lid, and it's a very easy peel, as you can see. And here is what the product looks like. That is it in the dish. So we'll see what it's like, eh? The curries were absolutely amazing. So I'm hoping that this one matches up. We'll try a little bit of the mash first. And there's the mash, as you can see. And that is really nice. It's got a lovely texture, a lovely flavour. It's perfectly seasoned. No problems with it at all. There we go. The mash is lovely. So far, so good. It's obviously very hot, as it's been in the microwave altogether for 7 minutes. So now we'll try some of the Welsh beef and the mash also. And there it is. The flavour is lovely. You can taste the onion and the carrot. The beef is absolutely fine so far. No gnarly bits, no nasty bits, no fat, no gristle, and overall it has a lovely flavour. No complaints at all. I am really impressed on just how good these products are. But unfortunately, as I've said before, can't buy them back home here in Yorkshire, which is such a shame. They're far in excess of anything that you buy as a supermarket brand. It's fabulous, absolutely fabulous. If I got the pronunciation wrong in Welsh, I apologise now to my Welsh friends, but it's not the easiest language in the world to pick up. The minced beef is tender, very, very tasty. The seasoning is absolutely perfect, which is not something you tend to find in ready meals these days. The salt content is absolutely spot on. Absolutely no issues with this whatsoever. So, a big thumbs up once again to the Authentic Curry Company. If any of you are going down to Wales and you're doing self-catering and you want a quick and easy meal, these are amazing. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. There is not one component in here that is wrong. The whole thing is absolutely, it's great, absolutely great. Every mouthful is packed with flavour. It's a taste sensation, it explodes on the tongue. The aftertaste is absolutely wonderful. And I don't understand why other companies, apart from the cost, can make something like this inedible. And I have tried some before from Tesco and Morrisons, and they've been absolutely vile. It's I'm lost for words really. Really, really good. And as I say, if you go down to Wales and you're in self-catering and you fancy something quick, this is absolutely spot on. Wonderful. If Paparone is watching, thank you again, mate, for asking people to come over to my channel It's very much appreciated, and if you get chance to get hold of any of these products, please give them a go, because I would love to know your opinion. The same with Chris the Butcher and the Blue Van Man. I really like to know your thoughts on this authentic curry company's Welsh Beef Cottage Pie. Everything in this dish is absolutely superb. I keep going on about it, but credit where credit is due. These guys, unbelievable. And I can't wait to get back to Wales in November and try some more of this stuff. £2.65 may sound expensive to some, but quality always outweighs the cheaper products. And this channel is all about those taste experiences and wow. Authentic Curry Company, well done you. Tesco and Morrisons, well done you for stocking them. Please start selling these in West Yorkshire. Right, my family and friends, all 398 family members, subscribers, whatever you wish to call yourself. If you've liked what you've seen, hit the like button. Please feel free to leave a comment in the box below. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And if you haven't subscribed already, please feel free to subscribe. It costs absolutely nothing. And as I say, we're nearing that 400 mark. And when I reach 400, there will be an absolutely free giveaway, which will be food related. And to be able to receive it, all I'm going to ask you to do is answer one simple question. And that's it. So, I wish you all a great evening, and I hope the coming week is kind to you. Take care of yourselves, be nice to each other, and on that note I will say Namaste, and may your God go with you.